P90's the GOAT.
P90 is the GOAT.
I'll play long.
I'm gonna take a smoke to B.
I'm gonna go B.
I'm gonna go cat.
Same.
Just try not to play super aggressive, period. Like, try to stay behind the wall.
Okay.
I didn't actually get kicked from Juice. I'm not in the Juice Smite clan because Brandon's trolling me.
They didn't cross.
Where's smoke,
so I think
NA?
They went B.
Where's smoke, NA? Oh my god, lots of B, lots of B, lots of B.
They're at B.
They
Yeah, I
rushed
said
B.
that. I just said that too.
There's
I
a
said
couple
they,
tagged up in there.
I said they didn't cross over at B.
One in back of side, period.
One B box. He's meant B doors.
Damn.
Alright, there's two back of sight, Dust. There's still two back of sight. You need to reload.
Nice.
Clutch or kick.
Your left, your left.
Ooh, one more.
One more. You don't have time, Dust, just leave. You need to leave.
Fucked on. Fucked on.
I'm heated!
Get fucking wrecked, dude. I'm highlighting that. Dude, get the shit on!